With a size around 350,000 square kilometers, the Great Barrier Reef is known as the biggest living structure on the planet and is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. It is so large that it can be seen from space. It has 3,000 separate reefs with over 1,500 fish species living there. But imagine if this water habitat was taken away. The beautiful vibrant corals, the beautiful patterned fish, all gone. With the changes occurring in the environment due to human activity, the vast Great Barrier Reef could be gone soon enough. One of the major reasons why the Great Barrier Reef is falling apart is due to coral bleaching. When water is too warm, corals expel the algae living in their tissues, causing the corals to turn completely white. It ruins the mutualistic relationship these organisms have as they depend on each other for survival. Corals can survive the bleaching event, but they can be led to death. With the death of these corals, it leads to limitations on food and shelter for a vast majority of these fish species, as corals are common shelters for most fish species. It creates competition, and only a fraction of the species living in the Great Barrier Reef are able to survive. Species can become endangered or extinct. This harms the food chains in the Great Barrier Reef, harming the species' trophic level. This problem is also called trophic cascade, or when a trophic level of a food chain is harmed. There are 3 sectors to the Great Barrier Reef: the northern, central, and southern sector. 81% of the northern sector, 33% of the central sector, and 1% of the southern sector has been severely bleached over time and is continuing to get worse. If you're asking where the warming is coming from, it is caused by the increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, or global warming. These greenhouse gases warm the water. The greenhouse gases come from human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels in factories, cars, etc. As we continue the burning of these fossil fuels, the balance of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere is destroyed. To help contribute to this cause, we can do many simple things. Biking or skating rather than driving is a way to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from cars and is a way to exercise. Switching to electric cars rather than using gasoline-fueled cars is another way, as electric cars will require no fossil fuels. Donating to organizations such as the California Climate Investments is a way to show your support. And lastly, promoting this cause in your community is a way to spread the word. Even though coral bleaching in the Great Barrier Reef may not seem important, but the Great Barrier Reef defines the beauty of the ocean. If that is taken away, our once beautiful marine environment will never be the same again. Thank you.